In this video we'll show you how to remove gaiter cover on Opel Astra G in 3 simple steps. So this is an Opel Astra G from 2001. So when you remove the gaiter cover, you start from the back. You have to pushing towards the gear lever, then pull it out, and then you have to pull it back to take it out. Okay. So the next step is to lift the gaiter cover up to have access at the cable tie. There is a black cable tie over there, so you have to cut the cable tie using a cutter or some scissors, and then you just have to take it off. It comes off the gear stick. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. So when you install the new gaiter cover, start from the front and then put it back. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.